Just out for a drive on a hot day. Gonna go to a river. And as you can see, we have smoke in our area. Coming from Edmonton, Alberta, BC, Banff. Sky looks nice and clear that way. This is what we see. The fields are golden. Not sure what's in those fields, but there was probably hay or canola. Pretty soon, right after this, oops, make quite a sharp turn here. And we go down this wiggly road. See what the river's doing down here. This is one of the spots where Dave can fish. And I'm sure the puppies will love getting out and sniffing stuff that's around here. Coulees. This is called the coulees. Oh, there's somebody camping down here. Oh, there's a few trucks and stuff down here. A few people. And the river goes all over. And we're parked right at the water. Okay, we're down at the river. I'm gonna get the puppies out of the car and go for a little stroll. And they will be excited. Ocha, buddy. And Rusty. Can you smell everything different? I usually can't see anything because of my reflection. And the puppies are out of the car. They're happy. They're peeing. They're peeing already. Oops, that's pretty close up. Morning, or afternoon, I mean.
How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
Good, thank you.
Good.
Like daisies.
Yeah, they're kind of like a sunflower of some sort. Pretty flowers. And this is a little hill. Lots of nice rocks. Maybe I'll have to take a few home with me. See what I can do with them. Continue our walk. A couple of fishermen. Isn't this pretty? That water looks tempting to go in, even though it says no swimming.
You get one?
Cool.
Yeah. There he is again. Refused at that time.
Oh,
Ah, he's that smart. Oh! He's that smarter.
I love to listen to the babbling brook. It's just slowly babbling.
The fish all let go. He's never let go. Yeah.
You had a little drink, Rusty. You had a little drink of water. You don't usually like water going near the water. Well, that's nice. It'll cool them off. Rusty's right behind you. I can't believe he's actually in the water. Well, he's going right behind you. Look at that. Buddy's saying it's a little deeper for me. Smells like Kootenai Lake down here. Huh? You can walk right across? You don't think it'll be too deep? I'll walk. I'll video you. Oh, I should bring my thingy out here. Buddy's swimming. Does it wreck their fishing? Too late now, I guess. Ooh. Oh, that's nice and cold. You gonna go up? Huh?
Yeah.
There's our snake. Hello, baby. Yeah, you have a good time. Buddy's up there just waiting. Don't want to step on the snake. Okay, we're across. Rusty, get back here. I dropped Rusty's leash. And he's having fun running around because he's wet. Yes, he's all cooled off.
There's a Y in the bank.
There's what?
Big Y there, see it?
Oh, yeah. Are you going down and around?
I don't know where the vehicle with this trailer is.
Yeah, looks that way. Must have had a Jeep. Huh?
Pretty big house over there.
Over where? Oh, over there. Yeah. Where?
Out there.
Across the water?
Right in front of the car.
Waterton Reservoir Provincial Recreation Area. And
It's not just Canmore, it's everywhere.
they have camping spots here where you can camp overnight. And they have a lake. The Waterton Reservoir is a beautiful lake. People bring their boats. People swim. And there's the lake. And this is the lake. It's very low. It looks really nice. It's a nice big lake. Some picnic tables.
This is all that hard work that you guys are doing, huh?
And this is driving back home. Back to our RV park. Pretty much, yep. Our RV park is right up there on that hill. So we're not far from home. Well, my hair is all funny because I jumped in Waterton Lake. Had to swim in my clothes. Feels good. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Talk to you again soon. Bye. Say bye, Dave.
Bye, Dave.
Say bye, puppies. Say bye, puppies. Hope we got the puppies.